What if your money could move as fast as a text message, instantly traveling anywhere in the world? What if it worked for you anytime, day or night, 24/7, 365 days a year? What if your money was truly yours, completely under your control, no one else deciding how or when you could use it? This may sound too good to be true, but it's real, and it's happening right now. This is the world of cryptocurrency, the future of money, fast, flexible, and truly yours. Welcome to Goldfish School. My name is Goldie, and my mission is simple: to make crypto easy and fun. Today, we'll explore what it is, how it works, and why it's changing the way the world uses money. What exactly is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is digital value built for the internet. Unlike physical coins or paper bills, it exists only online, stored securely on a network called the blockchain. Some cryptocurrencies work just like money. You can send them instantly to anyone, anywhere in the world. No banks, no business hours, no borders. But crypto goes far beyond payments. Many are designed to power new types of technology. They can fuel apps, run online services, and even shape entire online communities. With some tokens, you can vote on decisions in a project. With others, you can unlock digital games, earn rewards, or even access financial tools that don't require a traditional bank. In short, cryptocurrency isn't just internet money. It's a whole new way to create, exchange, and use value online, spanning everything from fast payments to building digital economies. So what kinds of cryptocurrencies are out there? Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency, and still the largest. It started as digital cash, but today it's seen as digital gold. People collect it, they save it, and it's valuable all around the world. Ethereum is different. It's the second largest cryptocurrency, but it doesn't just act like money. Think of it as digital jet fuel. It powers crypto-based apps, games, and smart contracts on its network. Then there are stablecoins. Those are like your everyday dollars, but digital. They're designed to stay steady without big price swings. Beyond these, there's an ocean of other tokens. Some are genuinely useful and innovative. Some are bold experiments. And a few, not so much. So if crypto is the shiny new car, what's the engine under the hood? That's where blockchain comes in. Picture a giant digital notebook. Every student in a classroom has the same one. Whenever something happens, like one person paying another, it's written down in every single notebook all at once. And here's the superpower. Once it's written, it can't be erased. No secret changes. No ripping out pages. Each new page is called a block. Stack the pages together, and you get a chain, which is why it's called blockchain. So why does it matter? First, no one's in charge of the notebook. Everyone checks everyone else's answers. So no single bank or government can secretly change the rules. Second, it's super secure. To hack it, someone would have to change every notebook everywhere all at once. Basically, it's near impossible. Third, it's transparent. Anyone can open the notebook and verify the records themselves. This promotes trust and honesty built directly into the system. And this unlocks powerful real-world uses. For example, sending money across borders in minutes, instead of waiting days and paying high fees through banks. Crypto lets you transfer money directly to anyone, anywhere, almost instantly. Handle payments or property sales automatically. Imagine selling a house where the payment and transfer of ownership happen instantly once both sides agree. That's a smart contract. No paperwork, no middleman, just code making it happen securely. Tracking food from the farm to your plate. With blockchain, every step in the supply chain is recorded. You can see where your food was grown, when it was shipped, and even verify its freshness. And here's the big picture. Crypto and blockchain don't just improve the old financial system. They completely reimagine it. Traditional banks come with delays, paperwork, and high fees. With crypto, it's fast. It's global. It never closes. And you're in control. And it's not limited to payments. The same blockchain system powers apps and services through smart contracts. No middlemen. No delays. Just automatic results written into the code. For billions of people without bank accounts, this could be life-changing. With only a phone, they can now join the global financial system. Let's recap. First, cryptocurrency is a revolutionary way to exchange value. It's completely digital. No coins. No bills. Just pure online money. Second, blockchain keeps it all secure. Think of it like a public notebook that nobody can erase. Every payment is recorded forever, and everyone can see it. Third, crypto gives you freedom. You can send value anywhere in the world. Anytime. No bank approval. No slow transfers. No expensive fees. Congratulations. By understanding these basics, you've already taken your first step into the future of finance. And here's the exciting part. This isn't only about investing. It's about joining a global movement that's redefining how we think about money. If you're ready for the next step, check out our free crypto introduction course. You'll learn what money really is, how blockchain works, and most importantly, how to buy, sell, and keep your crypto safe. As you explore, remember 3 golden rules. First, crypto is huge and always changing. There's always more to discover. Second, stay curious, but always make safety your top priority. Third, the smartest investors are the ones who learn before they spend. Ready to keep exploring? Your journey is just getting started. Because this isn't just about money. It's about reimagining how the world exchanges value. The future is being built on transparency, freedom, and innovation. And now you're part of it. Thank you for joining me at Goldfish School. I'll see you at the next lesson.